Hi friends, Luca here. I'm in the Open Source Summit Europe, and I'm super excited to bump on new people and learn a new project. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Helen and I'm from the OpenEuler community. Right now I'm in Amsterdam OS CEO Summit.
Cool, and super excited. So Helen, what's OpenEuler? And
Okay, so let me give a brief introduction about
yeah,
OpenEuler. OpenEuler is a Linux-based operating system and is totally open source. It is a Chinese operating system that is operated by the OpenAtom Foundation, and OpenEuler now we have many AI features, especially made for developers to have a smoother development experience. So if you want to explore more about OpenEuler, just check our website, and we have many documents and materials for everyone to use. Yeah.
sounds amazing. And how can people get in contact with you? Do you have a
Oh,
website or?
yeah, of course. Of course, we have official websites. We have GitHub mirrors, GitHub repos, and also we have social media channels. For example, YouTube, and we have X channel, and we also have LinkedIn channel. So everyone, if you want to contact with us through the social media, you're free to contact us through all of those channels I mentioned before.
That's amazing. And what's the best feature about AI? Everybody's talking about AI.
Yeah. So actually, we have a very new feature called DevStation right now. It is a desktop version of OpenEuler, and everyone can download DevStation version through the official website to explore kind of like an AI agent out of the box if you deployed OpenEuler, and you can use AI agents and use natural languages to ask OpenEuler operating system to do all of the development tasks.
Wow, I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to download and try out. Thank you, Helen.
Thank
And
you.
let's innovate together. Thank you.
Yeah, thank
Bye.
you. Bye.